Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are diving into one of the most practical topic in JavaScript arrays, reversing arrays, and exploring some powerful built-in array method that will make your life as a developer so much easier. And you can say it's one of the actually it's a recap what we did previous lessons. Actually, previous tutorial we actually recapping everything here for the array method. Okay, by the end of this video, you will know how to manipulate the arrays like a pro, and trust me, these methods are going to save you tons of times in your project. So let's jump right in. The first is the reverse method. Actually, let's start with this reverse method. As the name suggests, it's reverse the order of element in an array. And how it works? Simple, right? But here is the things. Sometimes important you need to know something important you need to know. The reverse method actually modifies the original array. It doesn't create a new array. Okay, so this is the reverse, and you see 5 4 3 2 1. So let me show you another example. Actually, what I actually mean. See, both variable point to the same array, right? If you want to keep your original array intact, you can create a copy first using the split operator, right? You can also do that, but we didn't use it previously. So this is our original one. Then you are spreading with the three dots. The original, then you are reversing. So you get the original, this is unchanged, and this is the reverse copy. Okay, great. Our next topic is concat method. Now, let's talk about this concat. This method is used to merge two or more arrays together without modifying the original arrays. And it return a brand new array. Okay, it actually returning you the brand new array. Array 1, array 2 with concat array 2, and you get all in together, but the original array is intact, it's not changed. But if you need to concat multiple arrays, if you need to, you can also do that. Okay, you can also do that. Like this is the first example, and this is the second letter number symbol. You see concat, and this is the first array, and this was the second array, and you get all in together. And also here is a cool trick. You can also pass individual values if you need to do that. The array.concat for concat with the 4 5, then array is 6 7 in the array. Did you see 3 4 5 6 7? Isn't it cool? Great. Now next method is our splice method. This slice method extract a portion of an array and return it as a new array. The original array stays untouched. Okay, it takes two parameters, the start index and the in index, which is optional and explosive if we need. Okay, so this was the color, and this is the sum color with the slice 1 and 4. Then you get the 3, right? And original is unchanged, right? We already know how the slice work. And but if you omit the second parameter, it slice from the start index to the in index if you want. What I mean, suppose last 3 slice 2, and then you can get green, yellow, purple, right? Green, yellow, purple, because this slice is 2. Okay, actually here is something really useful. You can use negative indices to count the from the int, like this. You see number slice -2, then you get the last two elements in the array, actually from the array. And then again, if index is 1 and the another one is -1, then you get 2, because this one is starting from the index 1 and there is a -1, then you can get this would be this will be removed and you get the 2 3 4. Great. Okay, now next method is splice method. Now splice is one of the most versatile arrays methods, but it also the one that trip up beginners the most big because it does modify the original array. Splice can add, remove, or replace element. Okay, so let's start with the removing element. Okay, first putting the variable with array. Okay, second is like, okay, you see when you are using the join method and it already include in a single string, right? Also, if you can also use any separator you want. If you really want to include any separator like number, then joining with hyphen or empty string or include a comma, and all are valid and it's working properly fine. But if you don't pass a separator, it default to a comma, right? Actually, we already tested out. You see, if A, B, C items, when you are using this, it's automatically include a comma as a default value if you are not passing any separator. Okay, great. I hope you understood this. Next method is split method. Actually, this is a bonus string method. While we are talking about join, let me quickly show you its counterpart, split. This is actually a string method that creates an array from a string. Okay. The example is, this is a sentence, and this is our split method, right? And when you are using the word, you get JavaScript is awesome and as a separate string with comma, right? This is super useful when you are working with CSV data or any delimited string. Like example, CSV, you get actually data look like this, then split with comma, and the value is actually look like this. Console log, you can print it out this. Okay, great. Okay. Now you can even split every character if you want. You know that. Then how to do that? Just use single word, then split, and you get every letter as a separate. Okay, every separate character. Okay, it would be a splitting for you. Okay, great. Now next method is the indexOf and the lastIndexOf method. Just our previous lesson, previous video, we already cover up this, right? But still, this method help you find the position of an element in an array. IndexOf searches from the beginning and lastIndexOf searches from the end, right? We all know that. We already learned it. How it looked like? Okay. This is the number. This is the index of 2. Then you get the 1 first occurrence. The last you get the 6 because this is the last occurrence. And if there is no index number, is index of is 10, then it's written not from it's mean the -1. You can also specify string position for each search if you want, like this. The index of B, yes, there is a B available. But if you are using the index of B with the position 2, I mean the form index is 2, then it's 3, right? They start searching from index 2. Okay, great. Now next topic is includes method. This includes method is a clear way to check if an array contain a specific element. It return true or false. I mean, when you are using the include and using the and putting the string value, and you can get the true and false value. If this string is available, then you get actually this value is available, then you get the true. Otherwise, you get false. This is much more readable than checking if index is not equal to -1. You see, this is our old method. What is it? This is the index of banana. If not equal -1, then you get the console log. But if only using the banana, you without using index of use the includes method, then you get the exact same result. And this is the much cleaner, right? From this one. This was the older one. Okay, great. Now let's put everything together with a practical example. Imagine you are building a simple shopping cart. Okay, so this was our array, the card array, and at first we are adding a new item in our array. This was it, and this is the new item. This place 1, and nothing is deleting or removing. and include the jacket. Actually include jacket as a new item. Or if we want to remove the first item, then use the index number and okay, remove the first item. And if check if any item is exist, if we need to check there, okay, then includes check this shoes is available. If it's available, then show the shoes are in the cart or shoes are available. If we need to create any summary, then include the then use this, the create a summary with the join method, and your cart is summary. Summary means how many cart you are added, I mean how many item are added in your cart. Okay, you get this with the join method. If you are reverse the order and want to display order as a reverse method with the reverse method, then use this, the reverse with the cart split. These three dots mean split operator. Okay, split with cart without changing our original array, using this split operator, then reverse it, so you can reverse the actual value. Okay, that means it include the original one, then reverse, and you get the reverse value, right? Good, great, I hope you understood. And that's it. And we have covered the reverse, concat, splice, join, split, indexOf, lastIndexOf, and includes, right? These array methods are absolute essentials, and you will use them constantly in your real world project. Remember, reverse, splice, and methods like push and pop modify the original arrays. Concat, slice, and join return new value without modifying the original one. Okay. In the next video, we will explore objects in JavaScript, how to create them, access properties, and work with them effectively. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comments if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding.